Jung Hae-in was born on April 1, 1988. He is from Seoul, South Korea. He graduated at Yongtaek University, majored in Broadcasting Entertainment Department. Height 178 cm. He is a South Korean actor and model from 2013 up to present under FNC Entertainment. He signed a contract with this agency right after military and college. He was 21 years old when he enlisted in the military. He first made appearance in AOA Black's music video for Moya in 2013. Then, he officially debuted in the drama series Bride of the Century in 2014. Jung Hae-in came from a wealthy family. His great-grandfather is Jung Yak-yo, an influential figure in Joseon era. Jung Hae-in Instagram account